Top 5 TV episodes on this day in history. November 9th. Year 1967. Episode, Rowan and Martin's Laugh-In series premiere. The groundbreaking comedy show Rowan and Martin's Laugh-In premiered, introducing viewers to a fast-paced blend of sketches, jokes, and musical performances. Its unique style and irreverent humor quickly made it a cultural phenomenon of the late 1960s. Year 1979. Episode, The Dukes of Hazzard Double Sting. In this episode, Bo and Luke Duke find themselves caught up in a bank robbery scheme, full of action and humor. The Dukes of Hazzard became a beloved classic, known for its car chases and Southern charm. Year 1985. Episode, Miami Vice, Out Where the Buses Don't Run. This acclaimed Miami Vice episode follows Crockett and Tubbs as they investigate a case with a mysterious informant. Known for its cinematography and intense plot, it's considered one of the series' best episodes. Year 1999. Episode, SpongeBob SquarePants, Help Wanted. The pilot episode of SpongeBob SquarePants aired, introducing the world to SpongeBob, Patrick, and Bikini Bottom. This quirky, humorous show became one of Nickelodeon's most successful and beloved series. Year 2001. Episode, 24, series premiere. The high-stakes drama 24 debuted, following counter-terrorist agent Jack Bauer over the course of a single day. Its real-time format captivated audiences and redefined television storytelling for years to come. Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.